Stop using ChatGPT. Yeah, I said it. And before the comments lose their mind, listen to this. Last month alone, I personally watched 3 regular dudes clear $5,000 to $12,000 using AI without sitting in ChatGPT all day typing prompts like it's 2023. Here's the red flag nobody's talking about. ChatGPT is already saturated. Everyone's using it. Your dog's using it. Your competition definitely is. If you're still relying on ChatGPT to make money online, you're low-key playing a losing game, because the people actually securing the bag, they switched to something else. And no, this is not a scam, not crypto, not dropshipping 2.0. This is a straight-up game changer. Here's why most people stay broke online. They chase crowded methods. They copy YouTube tutorials from 2021. They try to outwork bots using the same tools as everyone else. ChatGPT didn't kill opportunity. It commoditized it. Now, clients don't pay for AI-generated content. They pay for speed, automation, and results. And if you're still manually prompting ChatGPT, rewriting stuff, copy-pasting like a caveman, you're already behind. The solution, instead of ChatGPT, you use AI agents plus workflow automation. Specifically, Claude plus Zapier plus niche-specific AI tools. This combo is criminally slept on. Why it works? Claude writes cleaner, more human content. Clients can't detect it. Zapier turns AI into an automatic money machine. Businesses don't want AI writers, they want systems. You're not selling prompts, you're selling done-for-you automation. That's why people pay $500, $1,000, even $3,000 per month for this. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Pick a boring, rich niche. Stop trying to help YouTubers and crypto bros. That market is cooked. You target boring businesses with money. Real estate agents, law firms, med spas, local service companies. These guys hate tech but love results. Step 2. Build a simple AI system, no coding. Here's an example that prints money. And lead follow-up system. When a lead comes in, Zapier triggers. Claude writes a personalized email or SMS. Sent automatically, client closes more deals. You set this up once, it runs 24/7. Client thinks you're a wizard. You don't say, I use AI. That's a red flag. You say, I help businesses respond to leads 10x faster and close more deals without hiring staff. Boom. That's a $1,000 a month problem solved. You land 5 clients, that's legit income. You scale from there. ChatGPT users compete on effort. AI system builders compete on leverage. One is a side hustle, the other is a real business. If you're still typing prompts hoping to get rich, you're playing checkers while others play chess. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, not chasing trends but using them, hit subscribe right now, because I'm breaking down real AI money plays before they go mainstream. And trust me, most people are about to miss this one.